Hello and welcome to Maths by SARS. This is my fifth lesson of D2, chapter number 12, exercise 12C, that is about the area and volume of sphere. What is sphere and what are the formulas for the area and volume of sphere? These are the questions that have to be really clear to all of my students before moving to this exercise. For all those students who are not clear about these all questions, or they have missed the previous lesson, or they are catching us late, I will be giving the link of the basic lesson in the description box so that you can watch those lessons carefully, because lessons of mathematics require continuous practice and integration of the previous lesson with the new lesson. If the previous lesson or the previous link is weak, the next lesson will also be affected. So you should take help from the channel library, and in the library there are the different playlists available. You can go to the library and take help from there. Let's move to question number 4, basic level, and let me read the question from the book and let me compare the data. Question 4 says, find the total surface area of a hemisphere with the radius 7 centimeter and take pi equals to 3.142 centimeter. So the question is about the total surface area of hemisphere. So let's try to discuss the question with the help of the diagram. And in the given information, the radius is 7 centimeter of this hemisphere given, and we have to find the total surface area of this hemisphere. Okay, I always ask it to my students to make small sketches and diagrams so that the message can be easily clear to you. As we have to find the total surface area of this hemisphere, so the total surface area of this hemisphere will be equal to the curved surface area of this hemisphere plus the area of this base as well, because when we'll be keeping this hemisphere on some surface, this circular base will be touching that surface as well. So in order to get the total surface area of hemisphere, you have to take the surface area of base as well for the calculation. So I hope my students are now clear that total surface area of this hemisphere will be equal to the curved surface area of this hemisphere plus surface area of base. So let's start the solution. That total surface area of hemisphere will be equal to curved surface area plus the base area. Now if we talk about the curved surface area, the curved surface area full sphere is 4 pi r square, as this is the half sphere hemisphere. So the curved surface area formula will be 2 pi r square, and the base is a circle with radius 7 centimeter, pi r square. Okay, and now we can see that pi r square, we can add them up, they are like terms, so it will become 3 pi r square. And now it's really easy. What we have to do, that we have to replace value of r here, that is 7 square. 7 square is 49, and now I always ask it to my students to write the constants in the beginning and replace the value of pi at the end. So this will become r square will be equal to, total surface area, this is total surface area equals to 49 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 49 is 147, and value of pi, which is given in the question, is 3.142 multiplied by 3.142, and this gives me 461.8, and as we have to give our answer nearest to 3 significant figures, so it will be approximately equal to 462, and the units are in centimeters, so centimeter square. I hope you are clear that how and why I'm taking 3 pi r square, because I have to take this curved surface area of this hemisphere plus the surface area of base, which is a circle as well. And let's move to question number 6, and let me read the question from the book. Question 6 says a hemisphere has a curved surface area of 364.5 pi centimeter square. Find the radius. Okay, let's try to understand that what is 364 pi given in the question. This 364 pi is the answer for this curved surface area of this hemisphere. Okay, curved surface area is which is given in the question is 364.5 pi. Okay, so what we are going to do is, as this is a curved surface area of hemisphere, so we are going to equate this answer with the formula of the curved surface area of hemisphere. Okay, let's move to the solution of the question. Given curved surface area is 364.5 pi. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to equate it by curved surface area formula of hemisphere, which is 2 pi r square, which is half of the sphere. Full sphere has the surface area 4 pi r square. As this is half, so it will be 2 pi r square equals to 364.5 and pi. And now please, we are doing this practice for last so many questions that the common factor will be easily cancelled from both sides, and I will left with 2 pi r square. 2 r square equals 2 pi has gone, 364.5. Now in order to get value of r, what we have to do, we have to shift that 2 to other side. 364.5 divided by 2. Okay, now let me divide 364.5 by 2, and this gives me 182.25. r square equals to 182.25. and now as we have to find the base radius, so what I will be doing, I have to take the square root of this calculation, and that will take the form r equals to square root 182.25, and this is 13.5. okay, 13.5 and centimeters. As we have to give our answer nearest to 3 significant figures, so our calculation is already to 3 significant figures. So let's move to the next part. And in next part, question 12 says a sphere has the volume 850 meter cube. Find the surface area. Okay, let's try to understand the question, that this 850 is the value of the volume given in the question, and the requirement of the question is the surface area of this sphere. Volume is given, that is 850. Volume is 850 and this is meter cube. And what is the requirement of question? Total surface area. Surface area is the requirement of question. Surface area. Now think about the formula of surface area, which is 4 pi r square. That means in order to calculate the surface area, I need the value of 4 pi r square, or means that first I have to, and I will be needing value of r, and where to get that value of r? That value of r will be obtained by using the concept which is given of volume. So let's begin the solution of the question. That given volume which is given in the question is 850 and this is meter cube. So what am I going to do? That 4 by 3 into pi, and r cube equals to 850. That volume will be equated by the formula of volume. In order to get value of r or r cube, what we have to do is we have to first go for cross multiplication, that this 3 will be multiplied by 850 or 850 multiplied by 3, and I have to divide 4 pi which was in the numerator to other side, and then pi we are going to use 3.142. 850 multiplied by 3, 850 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4 times 3.142, and 850 multiplied by 3, 850 multiplied by 3, 2550, 2550 upon 4 multiplied by 3.142, and this gives me 12.568, 12.568. And now what I have to do, I have to divide 2550 by 12.568, and this gives me 202.89 r cube. And in order to get value of r, I have to take the cube root, 202.89 and cube root. Now let me hold the calculator, and this is cube root 202.89, and this comes 5.87. Radius is 5.876. Okay, that will be approximately equal to 5.88. Now we have the value of radius with us, and now actual requirement of question is that we have to find the surface area. So what we have to do is that surface area, we will be using the value of r 5.88 for the calculation of surface area. Now surface area equals to 4 pi and r square. So what I have to do is 4 and pi, and r has the value 5.88 square. Okay, now 5.88 square gives me 34.4 pi into 34.5744. Okay, now I have to multiply these all factors, and value of pi is 3.142. 4 multiplied by 3.142 multiplied by 34.5744. Okay, multiplied by 3.142 and multiplied by 4, and this gives me 434. Okay, 434. Okay, so total surface area equals to equals to 434 centimeters square. I hope you are clear about this calculation, and let's move to the unit of this question is meters, so we have to be careful about the units as well which are given in the question. Let's move to the next part, and in the next part question 13 says a basketball has the surface area 1810 centimeters square, find the volume. Okay, now look, this 1810 or 1810 is the answer for the surface area that is 1810 centimeters square, and we have to find the volume of this sphere. Okay, now if we compare these two questions, in the previous question volume was given, and with the help of volume we calculated the value of r, and that radius was used in the calculation of the surface area. In this question we are given with the answer of the surface area. We will be using the formula of the surface area and we will get value of radius, and that radius will be helping us in the calculation of volume. I always ask it to my students to find the similarities and differences in the questions so that learning becomes perfect. So let's move to the solution of the question. Because the surface area which is given in the question is surface area is 1810 and cm square, so 4 pi r square will be equal to 1810, and in order to get value of r square I have to shift 4 pi to other side towards 1810 upon 4 pi. Pi has the value 3.142. 1810 upon 4 times 3.142, and which is equal to 12.568. 1810 upon 12.568. Now 1810 will be divided by 12.568. 1810 divided by 12.568, and this gives me 144.0. So r will be equal to 12. I hope my students by now are clear that 144 is a perfect square and 12 is a number whose square is 144. So after getting value of radius, what we have to do, we have to go for the actual requirement of question, which is the volume. So let's move towards the calculation of volume. That volume equals to 4 by 3 into pi and r cube. 4 by 3 pi into 12 and cube, 12 cube. Now I have to take the cube of 12. 12 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 12. This is 4 multiplied by 3.142. 3.142 multiplied by 1728 divided by 3. Okay, 1728 multiplied by 3.142 and multiplied by 4. This gives me 21717.504 by 3 divided by 3. This gives me 7239.1, and as we have to give our answer nearest to 3 significant figures, so 39 will become 40. So this is 72 and 40 and centimeter square. Sorry, this is volume, so centimeter cube. I hope you are clear about today's class. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.